Hey, Paco. Good to meet you today.
What's your name?
My name is Michael Kimani Kioneki from Kenya, Nairobi.
Lovely, man.
Yeah.
I have a question. Do you have any Bitcoin?
I do have one Bitcoin I've been holding. I've been holding since 5 years ago, and I plan to hold it for as long as possible.
When did you first buy your Bitcoin?
I bought my first Bitcoin in 2013 from
Okay.
a Zungu friend of mine from local Bitcoins. Yeah.
Okay. All right. And any advice for future Bitcoiners?
For future Bitcoiners, my advice is share the word, give, you'll receive, grow the ecosystem, and keep hodling. Yeah.
Awesome.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I live, eat and travel with Bitcoin.
Hi, good morning. I'm back in Nairobi, day 197, and I'm here with Rufus. What's up?
What's up, boys?
All right, man. Thanks to him, this wonderful article has got a lot of heads turning. Thank you, Lord. So what are we doing now?
Now we're going to Capital FM. We're going to do a Bitcoin show on Capital FM. So the show is called The Fuse.
Lovely.
Awesome.
Let's do this. All right, let's go. What's your name, brother?
Abu.
Abu? Yeah. So you say you have Bitcoin?
I have Bitcoin.
When did you buy first Bitcoin?
A week ago.
Not bad, not bad. Thank you so much, Rufus. Is there orange pilling, red pilling, everyone? And are you gonna save it or are you gonna spend it?
I'm gonna save it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sony. Rufus, nice to meet you. Larva, nice to meet you. What was that?
He's running around the world.
Quite literally running.
Yes.
We've got Rufus Kamal and Paco de la India. Welcome to studio, guys.
Shilling. Literally, you can't spend Kenyan shilling in China or any other country, but for Bitcoin, you can spend it anywhere you want in the world. At the same time, it's very secure compared to other means, doesn't limit you, and the most important thing about Bitcoin is it preserves your purchasing power.
Yeah. Watch how fast the Bitcoin goes.
Okay, mine's downloading.
Yeah.
All right.
Scanning.
I don't know what's
Just
going on,
scan.
but this is so exciting.
Pay.
What? Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Amazing.
And now with this you can buy Safaricom.
So if
Yes, airtime
We
inside.
just got some
you let
Bitcoin.
it sit there, does it?
All right, okay, we are done from here. It was a nice show. We just talked about Bitcoin and talked how Bitcoin is going to replace Kenyan shillings. No, I'm just joking. Oh, we are out of here. Wow, just got myself a new phone and it's been crashing. And thanks to Rufus. So he's ready to accept Bitcoin from me. We found a Bitcoin place that would accept Bitcoin, but they were charging me almost $30 extra, and I was like, why should we pay $30 extra? So thanks to you and this beautiful lady helped us set up a beautiful M12 here for Bitcoin. Yeah, you got your wallet ready, right?
Yes.
We'll do it on the move. Thanks a lot, man. Thank you. Yeah, welcome to downtown Nairobi. Alright, so we are at a local place. Hi man. Oh, what's this? Pillow. Nice, okay. This. How much is this for?
200. No, 300.
300. So $3.
Hi. How are you, my friends?
What are we doing here?
We are all about crypto. All about crypto in Africa. Everything crypto in Africa.
And what's your name?
My name is Jeremiah Mangi, the founder and managing director Bizin Africa.
Okay.
I'm also the co-founder at Crypto in Africa. Africa with a K. CryptoInAfrica.com.
Lovely. And do you have any Bitcoin?
Yes, of course, I do have some Bitcoin, but not some Bitcoins, but some fraction of Bitcoins.
Lovely. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
So let's do this. We're gonna get on a. What are we doing? Gonna do now?
Yeah, we are going to have a short podcast recording where we are going to talk about the Run with Bitcoin campaign that Paco is doing, and then after that, we are going to be having another conversation on crypto in Africa, about crypto in Africa.
Lovely. Let's do this.
Yes,
Thanks.
exactly.
Yo man, we're gonna just settle out the dues because of Bitcoin for the phone. Yeah, can you share the lightning invoice? as fee. That's it. I'm just gonna pay 200 sats as fee, and I'm gonna go to send. It's insane. Check this.
How much?
Send. You received?
Yes. Consider.
Wow. Refresh it. Refresh it. Refresh it. Damn.
So what was the cost?
200 sats. So that is like 10 Kenyan shillings.
10 Kenyan.
Wow.
Whoa.
This is cheaper than M-Pesa.
Yeah.
Hi, what's up? So I'm about to leave Nairobi. It is crazy. Before I leave, I am going over to the bookshop. I heard that accepts Bitcoin, so let's go meet that person. And that's pretty much gonna call it a day. It's been a long, amazing time here in Kenya. Got last couple of days in Kisumu and then on. But yeah, let's just go. Hi, what's up?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Abdullah Bule.
All right. What do you do?
I run an online store in Kenya. It's
Okay.
called Nuria Store.
All right. And what does the store sell?
We sell books, stationaries, and other related products.
Awesome. And do you have any Bitcoin?
Yeah, I personally I do,
Okay.
and we are holding some for the bookstore.
All
For now, we are not traders. We are just holding. We hold
Nice.
Yeah.
Since when?
since 2020.
All right. Why do you have Bitcoin?
I don't know. That's where the freedom lies. I think that's where the world is headed. So I just felt that the future is in cryptocurrency, in blockchain. So we thought of why can't we be one of the pioneers or one of those guys who board fast. So we started now accepting and especially some of our clientele. So far, there are over like 20 clientele who have bought books using Bitcoin.
Nice. And you said you have something awesome.
Yeah, I have a bookmark
Yeah.
that has Bitcoin logo.
Lovely.
Yeah, so sometimes once you buy a book, we give you a notebook, a bookmark.
Awesome. Right, so I'm at this guy's store. I finally found him, and he's just giving me this amazing Bitcoin. He's here. What's up, man? Thank you, brother. You believe in Bitcoin. You told so many things about Bitcoin. Do you have the Bitcoin standard?
Yeah, the book. Yeah,
Where-
we do.
Where is it? Where is it?
Let me show you.
Where is it? Oh my God, he's got the Bitcoin standard here. Oh my God, he
there's
got
the book.
two. All right, how much are they for?
Each is $5.
All right.
That's $45.
Awesome, nice.
And we also have the blockchain revolution.
Okay,
It's also about Bitcoin as well.
lovely.
Yeah.
So, how many people have bought these books?
So far, I think since last year, this is when we stocked last year. So over, I think 15, almost 20 clientele have bought Bitcoin.
Okay.
This one, nearly 50.
Right,
Clients
nice.
have bought this one, yeah.
And one important. Has anyone bought the Bitcoin standard with Bitcoin?
No.
That's the book that inspired me. And I'm really honored that I got to meet this guy talking about Bitcoin. And let's just buy one book. I'm really wanted to buy one book. Which one are we getting? We're getting this one?
This one, yeah, Be a Pressure.
What's it about?
It's fiction
Okay.
based in Kenya. So it's written by a Kenyan author.
Lovely.
So it's a nice book. It's called Be a Pressure.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
It should have been Tusker Pressure. Okay, I'm gonna pay him on Bitcoin, and this is pretty awesome. Asante.
Okay.
His wallet is ready. All right, that's how much? 500 Kenyan shillings?
500 Kenyan shilling. That's $5.
Yeah, all right, let's do this. We're doing it here. And got him at I think 500 Kenyan. Oh, sorry.
Back.
500 Kenyan shillings. Confirm amount.
That's okay.
I'm going to send.
Send, okay.
And done. Sent. I'll give you the transaction ID. Don't worry. Awesome. Thanks. So we just bought ourselves a book on Bitcoin right here in Kenya. It is possible. Asante. I'll show you the transaction ID.
Okay, so.
Lovely. My man.
Thanks, man.
Asante, nice talking to you.
Most welcome.
Take care. This is it.
man.
He's gonna read the Bitcoin standard. Oh, finally, he has to read it. He's got it. You should read it.
read it, yeah.
You should. The first 30 pages will open your life.
Thanks, man.
Peace. Thank you, Asante.
Okay.
All right, man. All right, let's go. Bye bye. Take care. Bye, Nuria. And take care.
Bye.
Ciao.